How many people are 63 years old that can say they love doing this kind of work? I love going out and doing repairs. I feel like I just started, and I've been doing it since I was 17. Now I'm 63. You do the math, how many years I've been doing it, and I'm still excited to go out and make this kind of money. It must be the dopamine fix you get when you go out and you're going to make good money that quick and they're going to pay you. I don't know it's happening, but I always wonder why, how come I'm still doing this and still enjoying it? And it's almost like a drug, and that's what happens when you do drugs. You get a dopamine rush. Everything you do, you're addicted to. You're addicted to eating. You're addicted to getting text messages on your phone. They did a survey or a study. When people see the little red dot that they got a text message, more dopamine comes out of their brain. Make them feel good. So it actually makes you feel good. So anyway, how this works is when you go out there and you do a job that's that easy, every call you get kind of a little rush, and then you know you're going to go out there and make good money. It's going to take you very minimal time, and then they're going to pay you for what you know, not your labor. You're just happy to get it fixed. And to me, you're not going to get any other trade where that happens, where you're constantly going job to job getting little dopamine rushes. So if I were you, if you're thinking of any other trade, don't think of it. You're not going to be excited to go out there because it's going to be hard, or even a little bit difficult. After a while, becomes annoying, becomes where you don't want to feel like doing it. This job, you always feel like doing it. It's not hard at all. Everything is right there. You do the same thing over and over, but where you get that dopamine rush is when they actually call you, and then when you're going out there, the customer's willing to pay. And they are always willing to pay. I don't know any customer that has actually said no. I can't even remember. It was probably when I was younger and probably didn't know how to operate myself. And that's what we teach you. I teach you all that stuff so that when you go out to jobs, you're gonna know how to charge people, what to say and all that. So anyway, sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Get started, get on the road. 30 to 40 days from now, you'll be doing these jobs. Do the course. The course takes 2 to 3 weeks to do. Stop wasting time, because time is money. Over and out. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.